friends, my name is Nirali Balia. Today in this video I will show you how to configure php.validate.executablePath in Visual Studio Code. First of all, to open Visual Studio Code, after that to open folder which you are create inside hdocs folder. Now inside PHP program folder, here to create a new file. First of all, to click on a new file option and then to enter file name and .php extension. And just press enter. At that time, you will get an error message that the PHP executable cannot be found. If you are use Visual Studio Code first time, then you will facing this type of issue. As mentioned in the message, you need to specify the PHP executable path on your machine. To follow these steps to solve this problem, first of all go to File menu option, then Preferences, and then Settings. Here you will get two JSON documents. The leftmost document are the default settings. On the right hand side you find the user settings. Now place your code in user settings and to override the default settings. Copy this code and paste here. You can find this code below in video description to save this file, and you are done. Before we wrap up, if you like my video, please share this video with your friends and followers. And if you are facing any problem, ask them before to leave comment below, and I will be sure to follow up with you. And another important thing, don't forget subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and to get latest update about my upcoming video on my channel. And also you can see my upcoming video updates on my Facebook page, and you can find my Facebook page link below in video description. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.